In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use password managers for your e-commerce store and Shopify account. This is crucial for keeping your store secure while saving time and effort. Stick around to the end because I'll reveal a free trial offer for the software we're using today, exclusive for viewers like you. First, let's talk about why you need a password manager. If you're running an e-commerce store on Shopify, you probably have a bunch of accounts, admin, team members, app integrations, and more. Using the same passwords across multiple accounts or relying on weak passwords is a recipe for disaster. A password manager helps you generate and store strong, unique passwords for each account, making your store more secure and less likely to be hacked. Now let's dive into the setup process. First, choose a password manager. I've tested several and I'll link to the best one in the description with an exclusive free trial for you. Once you've chosen your software, download it and create an account. It's really simple. And most of them will guide you through the process. Once your password manager is set up, add your Shopify login and other e-commerce accounts. This usually involves logging into your account once with your password manager's browser extension or app. The software will then offer to save your credentials. It's quick, and you can choose to save your login and password securely for future use. A big advantage is that many password managers will also suggest and store new, stronger passwords for your future accounts. So, instead of coming up with something weak, let the software generate a secure one for you. Remember to use this feature whenever you're signing up for new tools or apps on Shopify, which will ensure every login is as secure as possible. Next, let's talk about sharing credentials. If you have a team, password managers are a game changer. You can share your login information securely without exposing your password to everyone. Instead of sending passwords via email, just share them within your password manager. This adds an extra layer of protection, especially with team members accessing the backend of your store. The software we'll be using today also allows you to easily update and change passwords across multiple platforms. So, if you need to rotate your passwords, it's as simple as hitting a button and updating everything at once, which is a huge time saver. Here's the key takeaway. Password managers are an essential tool for running a secure e-commerce store, especially on Shopify. They keep your accounts protected, save you time, and help you manage all your logins easily. To recap, using a password manager. 1. Protects your e-commerce and Shopify store from cyber threats. 2. Helps you store and generate strong passwords. 3. Makes sharing login info with your team secure and easy. 4. Allows you to quickly rotate and update passwords across your accounts. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. If you want to follow along and set up your own password manager for Shopify, that's the best way to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.